To qualify, the borrower would have to have two criteria. One, the original value of the loan must be $100,000 Belize dollars or less. So 100,000 Belize dollars or less, the mortgage. And secondly, the mortgage has to be for a new home construction. And thirdly, it has to be a legally registered mortgage. So there's a value limit, there's a purpose, and there is a legal qualification. The short answer is yes. If they refinanced with another institution a mortgage that originally met those criteria, the answer would be yes. Because oftentimes they refinance for lower rates, more extended terms, but if the purpose of the original mortgage met the criteria, so it would qualify. It would qualify. A legal registered mortgage is, okay, it's a contract between the lender and the borrower, where the documents are lodged with the general registry. There's a stamp duty paid, and therefore there is a lien on the asset itself. It's a collateral arrangement, as opposed to something called an equitable mortgage, where simply the title deeds for the property are locked up in a safe. Those don't qualify. It's only the legally registered people that would. Treasuries are accepting the application forms. They will do a quick vetting of the form, and if it's complete and the answers are in order, the forms will be accepted. If not, they'll be turned back. The next step in the process will be that it will go to a central processing place, most likely the Ministry of Finance, which will then approve the applications and issue either a check or a deposit into the qualifying borrower's bank account. And there will be a phone call back to the borrower to say the payment is ready, and either collect the check or the payment has been made. But it will be centralized and processed in the Ministry of Finance, and we're hoping that we can conclude all of this before the Christmas break, before the Christmas holiday. No. The government is paying the individual an amount equal to his December mortgage payment. It's the responsibility of the individual, remains the responsibility of the individual to pay whatever arrangements he has with his lending institution. The government is not stepping in the shoes of the borrower and taking on any obligation of the borrower to his institution, to his bank. That remains solely with the borrower. In addition to the commercial banks, the credit unions, the National Bank of Belize, the DFC, and the Social Security Board, we're also including mortgages issued by insurance companies. There's a number of few, there are few in number I should say, but insurance companies do issue residential mortgages, and those would qualify if they meet the criteria.